Welcome, students! Today, we're going to explore some exciting teaching methods. Number 1. Collaborative learning, working together to solve problems and share ideas. Number 2. Inquiry-based learning, encouraging curiosity and critical thinking. Number 3. Gamification, making learning fun through games and interactive activities. Number 4. Flipped classroom, preparing students with online resources and using class time for discussions and hands-on activities. These are just a few examples of the many teaching methods we can use to make learning engaging and effective. Remember, every student learns differently, so let's explore and adapt our teaching methods to ensure everyone's success. Thank you for watching our video. Let's make learning an adventure. Discover the power of innovative teaching methods. Check playlist of teaching methods and subscribe our channel Edulancer.